Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Ulta Beauty website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in ulta.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ulta Beauty website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with your credentials to log into your account. Now, after you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to change your password, just click on your account icon at the top right corner once again, and from the menu page, click on Manage Account. Now, from the Manage Account page, you will be able to see your personal info. Click on the Edit button at the right side of your personal info, and now you will be allowed to edit your information. Underneath the password section, click on the right arrow key, and then you will be allowed to change your password. First of all, type in your current password for your account, followed by your desired new password. Then type in your desired password once again to confirm it, and then click on the Save button. Once you click on Save, you will get a notification telling you that your password has successfully been changed. And now every time you log into your Ulta Beauty account, you can use the new password that you just set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.